Ebraso say yedi enkomo no ba nkomodie ni ma no ebe crossover na ye hwede enua ma no so adopay omo prepare ede amaye we hear introduction bia we dwumadi ayedi no mfie be de wo nie but aboso ba biribia da na hia na akaakae na imagine so pai prekope obi a na need entertainment ho the creative industry no a part of omo obi oyekuani na osaye obi oye adoye na obi a eba academia so a oshimpampe eno echo osaye obi oye amanyosem na ne kwa no so no saye infa de hia kese osaye dehye nti beka me ho na Yema, a former member of parliament for Bantima, chairman for Bantima, former, a philanthropist, a politician, a businessman, and a lover of the arts and creative industry. Yenuya, Yawafa, ye papa, chairman, Kokofu. Chairman, Afishapa,
Jozo Abrukara.
And you show we no. Dimi ko jina sentiment ma say enko yisa o.
Yeah.
Bibia come out sentiment.
Oh, kwara mama tiefo ne ahefo achi. Na afi mu nyina den na
ya.
Wa abo afidie so. E da twedi ampass. Sentimentem boko. So am say ye woni ma miensa. Ana anan. We trade yampon na we ye mensia opim so santemeria afi kotoko ni new patriotic party aba afi fufu eto aso and say na wa che person de no be get ateno so kra no ye gusu aye hwese beji atuma anti eye boko EPA na about one who since so na okay EPA no. But apart from that, no, nipe wa santimenmu dudu na nka so manu won wa abato nsunsu anum na momum di yawo nipa dudu na efi se be busume 9 tesa aka be busum 2 ami ato aba no nipa bia no mu kasa ya fa aban no New Patriotic Party aban no ho wa santimenmu na enye we na enye se afa dodo na no mudebe no mudika eto abani we en sa nipa fo na kukro na ne sa fo na uhu se kasa na bafo o yehu yanka kogofu mu yam ne mayi de ka na mutie ya nkanye ne sa abani se so nti yansasua na bi no eye dibe mane de be masa afo no kopim se wanani se ye politicians some ye politician na me New Patriotic Party dey nkugo bai e me yawo some de minya kwan betena fidie so ana minya kwan ba bi ekasa ye onipa silent majority empem ni akire wo mu di yawo no musu wo mu fie nom ne wo mu nyomanum wo makoma mu ne wo adwene mu nti safo no we owe them apology, unqualified apology. Unu say obi de ne re hye o mu na ojaaju badie bi ma na onim se obetumi aye na be wi ase na susanso na ankowie papa wa ha nipa no wa ha no papa ebia untimi nya kwan me gina wani mu kan kyo so ha me eno na ama nipa ni bi sofa nti safo ni nyina no ye mo debem me madaroma sentrofo ne da obofo mo nti ye beto aba no nya kwan de me number 2 dwa 3 months to elections. Into me nipa bebre di nkuta ho. Bebre frame ye kasae. Me kan say nyame anim nyam. Se dipa e frame a on ne me kasae. Kwamra more than 95%. Obi e no ofre busa sika. Ana obusa moa. De o munyama de sei, munye ni sei, ebi security, ebi kra sei. Se ma sojafo a ma abontene. Me boa me bo ballot box so no ne polling station no ho ban a nsunsanso a mo benya no mo mpe if you say you say vigilante group nyina ye twam emre twam nti mo New Patriotic Party for mo internal security structures no eni ho but wo ma no mu si aka ne de wo ma boa won ho de konti ma se kan ne atuo ebeba police station ho abehunahuna nkrofo abeya yakayaka de enti momodena na moma sojafoɔ meka policefoɔ ho na momoba kwamna saa semu emete ne saa maako more than 100 times nim sɛ nyame nko nam te nim sɛ new patriotic party perifo bebrete mon sentrofo bebre mote tamfa anya asɛm enu ni ana yɛte ho enti niema ne bi yɛ hɔ a abadwakuo ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔmu ɛhwɛ abɛboa de but I can tell you today obi biara before ya wo ne ne kra onim kwan a fa so a de si enti a ye di nkugo a eti say ye enti for the records no say Professor Kwe committee don report ba na ne a obi azusu nim ka honom ne ade boaboa no a de ewo mu mayen ene say nyansasua be ne wo mu ana mo be ne ebetu aboaboa ehu bio ede ye ho mfom so akyekye na afi yaje party na si obio ya ye pen 2008 it happened to us 2009 me kai sabre no wa unu apani ano aboja ako chematen ono ana call round sa hwehwe the buy enom ne ade report set ye na da ho wa ma me copy a me kai 2020 ye ya to abawie na ye ni anyin sunsa so no ho enu ntim pani sa pa no so ye wo na no safmafo committee also report ni ade da ho any we inti say
so report they make rounds in the dailies and on social media no is it true that Ashanti region my a certain auditing and you've come out with the challenges are more intimate have you gotten any hint of that report?
Oh yes
a real report
intimate video so ka say a real report and I say real the minimally say regional chairman chairman Bernard and Chibuesiako Ntempa or Nimpeni Tnas, regional council, no me say a woman say national a commission, Professor Kwe report there, but internally no, you see, na EPA, no crano, the near maybe EPA, EPA the main national committee and Timia Nyama, and to power by your crew, na veteran, so no, Honorable Dr. Oseche Mensabus, yeah, immediate past. Leader of Parliament and an immediate past member of Parliament for Swami. Or no, no, no. Indeed, nipa pedifua etna sa jumedium so or mood into almost 3 years you added. Na nim so my present report na my chairman as to say near nenam
and then a year report
and no the original copy.
Okay, so forgive me. Call for general secretaryship of your party.
Well, yeah, me nim say election be course there. Election be any course. Baby, I just see no ye boaboa adwenkyira no. Na ya hwe kwan pa ye befa so a ebetimi the party na si ho. Ponko na wodi ni ko race no. So race ukra anya akora boneda. The race course.
What's race course? Yes.
Na ba.
Ponko na ko bu a.
Na ko bu da we jockey champion jockey say the abeda transfer na ko. Eti da champion jockey sa abre ne friend Isa Alasa. Now the Paul called the go ahead.
Papa had now already commentary on Kwabena Japan way back 30 years, 20 years.
Yeah.
It's a go ahead. No, maybe I know I'm sure no difference.
Go ahead. When one could go ahead, Isa Alasa, champion jockey, or go ahead difference.
Wow.
Yes.
Well, maybe you've forgotten. Part of Ghana,
yeah.
I'm going to the power.
Yeah.
The commentary was Murphy Papa now running those.
Go ahead, the Urano. Ponko no na no make sure say no ho de na we a jockey hustle na ahodo no mo be person wo be ride wo mo hustle na Isa Alasa that time na oh you so clever na Kokofu nim me am kra me nyini kakra dem hu why are not owone race say no wadamfo veterinary doctor bi nti o ma damfo no secretly o hwe the various horses wo ba pom di no it is should not who go ahead
no about
he come for
the Isa Alasa na ekono
ye be Isa Alasa nti horse be otini so be fit that is what New Patriotic Party has to be. you cannot be mayor way. So horse in your weaker, or better way no.
But any intent. Lawyer say if there's an intent.
Oh yes. And nipa bibri abami chene makasa.
Yeah.
The binomo can say this is the time I hear experience hands.
Okay.
Bread do say as I say in na beka afoforo wo ho. Na say we a champion jockey a beboa na horse no ponko no ne munyedu na ne honye dene. Now you can call the race 2028. So the intent is there, but because penny more whistle. Na baby a yigina no afei na ye to adwene na ya hye party no enya mepewe asem kra. Ye kwan be ne ye fa so a se kofi de abufuo na ya odie bi na odi pie kwa abonten a ye nkofa ne mrafi. Obi e won so a na nyo no ane pe no de kwa abonten na hye bi na apia no afiri mu kwa abonten. Yen pardon yen kofa nemra na yen ankasa yemu no yen tutu ne maye na afo ye honya akono bio if you say the good will is there the Ghana for hwe anima ne say ye be hihye ne maye na mpapa mu ni watimi wakame no ye de beto nchen na they will come along with us.
So nyame admechna the president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, State of the Nation address or the Bebre, but before we observe over 30 days of his administration, maybe the lead amongst them. And at this juncture, people say, share your legal heart. No? They have a conversation around the suspensions and the revocations and the temporal hold-ons and layoffs are ACC or this administration. Various schools of thoughts, Anaba. Maybe reasonable percentage of them they feel say victimization. They begin to feel say it's in line with the resetting agenda to ensure good governance. I'm just reading that the TUC is asking His Excellency the President, John Dramani Mahama, to halt sacking of workers. But from where you sit, I'm sure say, what the mrabidi kaya juma and sana the emotions near partisans say no etimi abema bidi juma. Then I beka for ceremony.
But unfortunately, by me don't watch you. So introduce me no can name oh you queer ni or this year. But one can say me emre ni. Hey.
So ababi so. Eh for legal kind say.
It ya me ignore the legal politely. I may decide not to put it on
because it's not part of the intro.
No, not part of the intro. Yes, come around the more seriously. Yeah, them run it to your man. Na me adeba akoye me nwanwa ebia me lawyer kakra me ye nti menya ana sa na say every aspect of our human lives as ane the EPA including our yourself near or memru no say emra
e de
adwuma ye ba wo he ya ye be di adwuma die nyasa someone she say ni bi ni say wo ba atenase enyina ho na kan ba ya me ye guest am se me tenase na me gina ho an maka da bi hye ni bi ene se tenase wo tenase so an hye ni se nia ono no aton sa afre wo a wo ye host no oni busa nsem nyaza it is ye komodie mu nyina metumi abusa bibi de ba ye hia ne de nkomodi a ye bedie na hye wonsa sisi a tie o se apon a yapon o se ento aso ya to aso saa na o producer aso se mra aso enti hye wo ba ye hwa ma bre bi duru a na de ye pe de de mra ne be ye adwuma ba bi duru a na ye ja mra na to eduru ba bi duru now be de be ye we ye ka adwuma asem adwuma asem a ye kai ni se ye bie kwanse ye penwuma ya na Togo mabunu nom ne Burkina ne Sahel yam fan say so de mabunu na be pre adwuma Ghana mamu ya na be pre adwuma ye fon adwuma Ghana ne ye adwuma na menya ntie de ekoso yi menya ntie se ebinum se 2017 na osafmafo bra ye toto na no parliament o kan se won an yafo wa adwuma after 7 December say ye to aba ne wie new patriotic party be yi onyina adi me kwafo aka but me hunu one single evidence
krata
bi edi adanse say Sabre we nipa kuo we num no eyi o madi. Me hu ye. So what will be the tell me. Now, adansidie wo ho. Say after say ya to abawie 7 December. Na transition team we adwuma. Sabre no mampani na wo ho a okọ. Na osan ye mampani yewura mahama. Adansidie ho truro say oye appointment. Chief of staff, Niaminia, she say Odahu Asabe chief of staff. Emma Nkrofo Nkrata nom di ade say. Baakone auditor general. NCC maame na efa no. Eye bia. Shraj Penny oka ho bi. When ye high profile, no di nipa nim na nipa ehu. Ni on wo nwuma mu akeka nom ne ade to say all the sectors. Bebre minim bi personally I do know most of them. Obia yanyi obia di. Some ma ya ba adwuma pen, makwa ba adwuma, my recruitment pen, makotu recruitment ya pen. Sorry, not ofofro metna ho. No. And I'll tell you my own practical experience. Ansa na mikura EPA o mampani na nakufu ade miko EPA na ne amiko di na ade no miko yi no na was starting recruitment exercise ankola na go through ana nipa na go through exercise na do point bi it omu go through point no na de na aka no say be issue ya my appointment letters ama o ana odi free adwuma it me koduru office na ape na esese bibia halt. I had two options. Ba akone se nea wa ya koduru bia no metwam na ma sha ase foforo se ana another option is say metro ade wa ye no so na yakoye enti de me ye ne se because hunu me sector minister Sabre Professor from Paul Boate ti me ne no misusu ho kire ne ana na ekowie se why not Ghana for kola ana ono no ye pani that time ana mra no man kwan say adwumakuo no eye recruitment to my enti say ss me hwe say ye to aso na se bi be ka ho mpo a kwan be ne be fa so wo mra kwan so quickly I had me instructor say ye to aso na mom ye nsan ko finance ministry na ye nyi clearance for another if you say na EPA population at that time 380 EPA the whole Ghana staff
EPA
so the place was completely understaffed
EPA na mo ya jumazana no
380 staff across nation and the American question say in effect we were able to double it about 760 wabra won yakọ interview na ya for ne ya mpamo ba akokra in fact o mukra ne first group of people a omunya appointment letters ana de be ka ho ye de to aso enti practically minim mahu se ne yete enti be de be ye se ne aban asesa me the directive no kra mte na yesi jama after 7 December no wa we fa obia wa fa obi bia no e se omukofie atretra could do so be an appointment 2023 a year on 6 months no they are sacking all of them
me part what explanation somebody bano inaccuracies due process is not followed how do you work without specified roles or how do you work without being paid SNIT how do you work without paying tax to I
have been there.
All these things.
I have been there. I've been there. The American, I make us a McCoy any recruitment in the other. Me fear and crack them in the other, never be any creative how. Until you only streamline. You buy and newspapers in the idea, we did have a sabasa, and now one penny. What's fashion ye? To some good ball. Ufa no what dia 2 years said they open.
So rectification.
Exactly. And no na actually will say ampa wo ani a wo di hunu ni a
but why do you superintend over good governance with these deficiencies the best?
It is all over. A systemic failure. Am I a system? A bra or may be boss. Say wo say wo fi you will see some of these things and all that. But you improve upon them. We share, now you rectify. Now do we have to a complete victimization, a complete
no, what yes they call party semana. But victimization does not come when we are preaching good governance.
So good governance, victimization can
in attaining good governance.
Good governance,
victimization
can because yet hey we now a penny. So the metro town crew amina bibia me bia and so edina we are what
you may say habit so now we be an abotai no
different. Enti good governance wo the governor no anyone so a wo govern. What you say?
Balancing act.
Exactly, balancing act. Enti so good intention. Now they are there. The oh yeah the etiano crap when him say we dear. Me am before. We are here king anyway dismissals near the details be a woman one near the nobody is going into that details. I nurse for a teacher for new recruits your pam coffee near there and I saw coffee. Woman discrepancies by. So genuinely, who are dreaming now we a new head. Now I'm part recruitment be a year and any staff will be a whole. I will issues in no problem. At the end of the quite say, Obe listening in Anna, Obe church. Now Obe no Ubi now the Babontia or the Babontia, now be take decision. And you know, at the only year, that discrepancy, you will be a Kofianian. Go and look in the books. We hear boss approval.
So without the board's approval,
you need board's approval. Because the board approval, the board approval idea. What you say? Then it confirms the discrepancies here. The board approval. You are in acting positions. Now as head. We are limited. Your powers are limited by your acting positions. And now you will be a ne. What sanction say? Uncle fear discrepancies be near you. Ochina. She share near many na public service commission tenase. Na public service commission o board ba na board tenase. Kwamna ni appointment you know what it is. President my appointment. Ye chiro mu say subject to the approval of the board. And then the public service commission.
Yeah, more appointment.
Yes. President, and that is why acting on age. Until you are in an acting position, into work around you are under probation.
2 minutes could do baby now.
Very much so. Wo akatia oma akwa adwuma ma ya me mo hair ni ya. Omu mu akatia ombaje o. Condition of service is not spelled out. The president's office, the appointing authority, initially no on spell out ubeje akatia say ubeye no. Enti ya ma o sa letter na. SSA board, your constitute board. Now, who appointment letter or the comma board. Now, board do know if you know say yes, we are suitable. Now, board do not actual at the comma public service commission. Now, board chairman, public service commission, my appointment. Now, board chairman do na public service commission panel so. Eti ho na public service commission beto to ano. 10 be our board chairman a part of the panel. Enti ya to ano wie ni bibia na public service commission ji utumu a. Now one sure presidency. Se nipa na also de ne ko ahase ni ha na. Ye ko toto na no ampa eye nti sedie. Na public service commission sure adwuma no. In this case, eba be see human resource normally. Abi see also say ampa dwuma de na president dia so say atoto ano wa pass ye de ama. Na o condition of service ni. O condition of service ni. Enti ubeji akatia say so the sefata wini anyway wadwuma ye anyway na ya ne sa afi na no watena se enti se ehor na se ayi staff e wo ho ana won koto won na se recruitment na wo ayi bi issues bi e wo mu ne ade a na ne wo church ro ne ma na de koto board anim se me ba e ma hunu se Kwabena o man hene kwen fa so e fa na adwuma enye we anye nti na redraw ana me revoke na appointment a na board atiase na board say an ya mo approval no aye those are certain things in there na adwuma bia mu so scheme of service ɛwɔ hɔ ɛkyerɛ kwan a yɛfa so a obi ayɛ bɔne mpo wɔ adwuma no mu a yɛyi na die so mmerɛ mu no yɛsɛ ordinary pattern listen to the other party it is all your penny na aba and one who say kwan yɛfa so a yɛfa Kwabena Kokofu adwuma nyɛ kwan pa nom ne ade a aso wa frɛ me watotoma no ana wodi me agina committee bi anim ama de yɛ ka no ana de mo ka no nti ase ayɛ adwuma ana so all these things now anti still with the saying legal lens emra ɛwɔ hɔ emra no kyerɛ sɛ Ghana ni biara the constitution economic directive principle of state policy the economic aspect of Ghana ni biara wo ho kwan so yɛ adwuma able-bodied and willing so person yɛ adwuma na wo ahoɔden obɛyɛ adwuma o ho kwan so yɛ adwuma Ghana ni biara a fundamental right ema every Ghanaian ɛwɔ me disregard of race baby a free ba emfa ho ne baby a kasa a woka emfa ho ne nton a wobɔ so yɛ oba bema no anti discrimination among ourselves na you say ebisi pen nti ebisi sabre a enye hwe nti nkosi da bɛn and you better akɔ sa ne manso because me nyi legal lens in fio na me share
the political lens
yes hey me offer so
we acknowledge
over
Honorable Fred Agbonyo.
Randy.
over Vijaba.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Joso.
So, Bamenkao, yesterday he was Fred Agbonyo. Today,
Honorable.
is Honorable Fred Agbonyo. Notice the difference is very important.
Formally, I congratulate you. All these means here, money Ajuma. I know what he did. I know what he did.
Fred, the Ebeba is here. Na Akpovi, is that correct? Akpovi, the villages in your constituency. Akpafu, and then Lolobi, Likpe,
and
Central Kofi. Yeah.
Now, who platform me?
Oh, yeah, he did well.
Prime Minister, that Mama security. More platform me. Yeah, but they win Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Because no, and there's a normal cabin mount. But you took interest
in that particular seat.
Yeah,
it's true.
He took interest.
But so to me, the whole conversation now is on. It's a villages, you know.
Okay, yeah, we know. Now, they say politely, I ignore him. Move on. On the political scale,
yeah.
MP, president, any NDC party, yeah, call about so. Omu can sema biblia. A fana, yes, a reality and no cre. It be the unemployment situation. Omu ma figures in na. Omu kan say o man no mu aye dia to the extent say mabunu nya adwuma nye. Nyasa. Enti omu bonto ano, omu say mabunu adwuma ye de ehia won papa. Likewise, yes so ye wa abem. Ye say aban na hu say mabunu adwuma ye no ehu akohia mo. Enyuma no eni ho papa bebre said ye pɛ no. Enti nia na odi anim Dr. Mahmoud Baumi aye nhihye bi say ye to abama no no be president. 1 million job creation within 100 days. Akwa ye befa so a ye be we through the digitalization ne ma kwa befa so a mabunu be nya adwuma no ne ade aye. We kan ni nyina. On the on can say make my just make me a paraphrase president. I say omu na mo ke kan say ye ba mu a ye be yi mwadi mo amoye adwuma ne wo ma ya fo ma adwuma da bi enye no kre ye nyi obi adi na emom ye be fa ye nkrofo nso abeka ho ye nyi obi adi ye be fa ye nkrofo abeka and the emphasis is on ye nkrofo that statement obi antie ni
ye nkrofo
so omampani wadi bi pen ana asan be pre omampani enti wo nyi mu saa wo group of people be a who say yen crofo of course or refer to the party ma which in normal times is okay so now yen you be ready yes you be fine crofo aka they also said 24-hour economy no what it means is
133
nya shift running
shift
enti the idea was anka abaye bi mu wa adwuma mu na ne say aka 2 shifts
but say is the 133 is yet to be finalized by Gusitan on 18. And let's hold on. We don't even know what the budget presents to us. We don't even know what the president is going to talk to us about. We need to hold on
because we are talking about youth employment. And 133, agenda 24 was their anchor. The omu bet. Someone to Abama any 24.
So you should come prepared.
Come prepared. Come prepared. No, I read now. What Sabren Wabwano do obey minister do obey we were prepared.
Just 24.
Now 24 hours. The me ordinary akodana mitiama krum redane. Now what mother da mi mama kotwaba amamono. Mo de mom prepare for me madwumaye. Na mom de obedi minister ne de obedi deputy minister ne de obedi CEO de. Mo prepare aye hu bibia. We mama ma details we. Utie city. You see presidency communication sector Hong Kong nipa omu kwa koye
Jubilee House
Jubilee House omu amukwa about 20 or so na director deputy director of this that city na.
But what's the problem with that?
My problem na
that the regional organizers are going to occupy that space.
Many problem na me problem I me want to say na ye can say nipa bebre ye staffers of presidency a omuni bibia ye job for the boys na keke no o ma campaign it now enu bi ni ana o say now do you know the condition of service for these people the city for na can we you 4 directors of communications 5 deputy directors of communications 2 communications specialists, 5 technical communication assistants, 1 media aide, assistant media liaison officer, communications consultant, presidential advisor on media.
That's what I was asking. Because I don't know.
Mama, city news.
Because come say be Canadian West. Canadian now. Eugene no Eugene.
No I was sitting.
Okay, so we'll do the check. No, I'll do the check right now, and then we'll come back. Whether hey, with the current that is so any current I can say be on your show.
Mr. City News.
I don't dispute that, but I'll check it. No, I don't have a problem. When you're a dog now, okay, let me show. Come back, dog by Mazatras.
Yeah. City News.
Okay, no problem.
Enti check it. Now, where you dear no? I pamo kola akufie no. There's another aspect to it. When him say abanye adwuma for public servants, directors, nominate deputy directors, omo abanye fie bi omo titimu wo Roman. O nyina ye tu omo.
There be no kwa the mess enye no kre. Nipa boni fo bi na dey office of the now we John Dramani Mahama anima. No allow. Say the office of the president. They be I bind down say or no presidency and say office of the president. I buy you for moon 2 what be that? What
now happen here?
But said the Macau he says hey fake. Now how can you evict people with office of the president? What follow political conversation in high see? Have you ever seen Jubilee House? I could be down say but 2 3 what with that?
And Kwabena what it is say. It goes to the Kobo.
No, I'm saying that they should rather the police should rather go after those people.
That's the point.
It's not effective.
Until say national security and security apparatus will come out to say Deepa Bonifo will know and the
office of the president as eviction too.
That's the point. One with the vulnerability of presidency.
That's the
point. I want to say. Tempano. Omumra bon no omtu wana na saafo no yenimu won ana ibehu won yakope won kire won
okay
na ya hwe ni ye de sa na bet na obatan bi na ya continue free na one ne ma omunya
but just take notice can no ananka you know be my friend agbonyo opposition anka offer kasa no obe interject sir but was very relaxed because he has the power to now explain the realities of the situation.
Come on, mischief.
No.
Yeah.
Apart from
that, the suit and tie, and also a restrictive. Tie in particular restrictive. And beyond that, eyes are watching him.
Now, only offer to table, so I'll bet me interject.
David, would you interject? I pray you live up to expectation for your constituents.
Expectation is very high.
You are a unique politician. Oh dear, you are a unique politician.
Yeah. And to me, now, if I couldn't, I'm in jail. Na mentia tie for nyina enkankan microphone mo sa o mo hwe no pe ofa me wa che afisha panso na ofa de
once again
tino so na kama sorry o
good
na ofa de emi ho anka ofa na be ye na mate ma obi ne last
time
ofa me ba yeah anka 30 ya ka enya o anka enya kura de be nya 40 bibia do and so for the men so them ojiri o mu se emrepam obeko well ofa ji to me komra sebi ofa kasen bi say ye kodada Ghana for na ememu no moto abade maye ofa ya kan say yanka ne yo ko Ghana for no sebi o madwenda ho na moti o mayi mo mo ne ekoso entimitimi nka say me feda agbe na me dada mo me na me twa ntra mo anya bia o kan na akwa say
me ka say 2016 mo ka say new patriotic party
ditro
ya ditro akoda
me man can
one can
because me kan say na be Ghana for atem
oh interesting
me kan say na say me ya kire say Ghana for ntimi ntwen mom ho and to bit me dim
so what it means therefore is that we should learn lessons as politicians.
Yeah, me man can
asema you can na no dan enye papa it was also bad on the part of the NDC to use
now can out is akama you can't say me come on how the
we are resetting everything.
I said man can
we are resetting. Reset means that what was wrong yesterday cannot be right today. It see you can say MPP the throw and a bit chile Ghana for no and of a cabia enye
you are gagging me share of a can be onim or mem omemu omu ni adwuma ye no omodo so yi o na ebia university awie mu masters kra enam se hwini ho nti no adwuma ebia anka SS ni kra betimi aye no se adwuma no ye continue sorrent na fie ebia anka ohwe no abilities owo na experience owo na dia we sua no anka adwuma no ye ne nya na sanka onye adwuma ba adwuma ni o enti adwuma sam de ade a ye nyinara wo be hia se ani bi wonko na ekwan bia be fa so a ebe pedwuma ma especially memo na nya bia ye na yempe mom o hwe Ghana constitution article 191 eka bibi almost say community a member of the public service shall not be me call be no preamble no a member of the public service shall not A or B dismissed or removed from office or reduced in rank or otherwise punished without just cause. Without a just cause. Constitution account. Untimi en yo bin free jumam. Untimi en pamobi. Obi abe director. Untimi intine rank so far by firm without a just cause. Enti se pamobi free jumam. Not just cause be anywhere. Uko kota. Ebedi ama. But also say if there's a just cause, the appointing authority bet me exercise some discretions. Meet me bet na ane. Na menka na menfa ho na mensre. So obi anya adwuma na ne age. Na a month or 2 months down the line, na esi for adwuma fatuo. Meet me nka na mame enye ni je mame. Ofati yi na nche bebre na wo EPA Unim number of covered application goes on page man. Offer me and cram a friend. Now go be a tata no page juma. If I phone from offer, with me a boy, or the friend, you need clearance. Opportunity me up. Your form crash, sky baby to your mocano, a bed. Coffee as can you, a family boy. What can I answer me?
Oh, yeah.
And tea so far, ho. No necessity came anywhere bet to Uncle Fonny Juma Eka. No need clearance. Near funny say. I got 2 weeks. Our friend clearly said, or coffee. Abano, we're losing. Now, preoccupé, only pana 2, 3, 4 years the line.
Only clearance.
Only clearance, no. Now, preoccupé, my funny 100, and they go. It's just to say.
May I answer?
I'm part of Debbie. I do no answer. Rhetorical question.
Maybe a question. Yes, I went this story.
Ejina saying. Question about and you I said one your clearance now. And you say my son ballot budget allocation there two. Send for from where you me, you bet me out to a mocana. Because say become here. Every national service personnel obi university. Konako small mine. This can case and to a crown. Yet this one will be a class of the Ghana series. Meboa. Any pay a Juma for my family and to Mokai. No better for Kaku Juma can I problem. Yes, here is the teacher allowances. And maybe obviously college from first year to 4 years. Allowance back go hunda. We need to allow you about me a call a Muamu Brona origin. Let you be now. Or say, Fana me way you 1 month per minjeda. Which why reinstate? And you cannot quack and I say we want to really make an impact. So what will be the fate of these persons? Say I buy them so I lose the coffee. And yes, some gum, yes, some gum, and some gum. Now month now end it. Next can be anywhere better mocha. How would they work? Akuma papa no manya dey adwuma. O free abemuno. O run the IMF program. One of the major concerns of IMF for my money say, your public sector is so choked. The economy is shrinking. It's not opening up. It's not growing. Now she said the pediguma come na anti-share program I to no pay. Yen fan na say multimedia money has come and abroso. Now program back we go find a partner on me host. How will it look like? Take come hold 15 minutes. No ma sorry akọ. No offer bet na ho. No for 5 minutes. No sorry akọ. We need as a government what you need to do. And say obey nyame ye. Na public sector atinya employ for more. You cannot say ebia of EPA now way. No face back can nipa trebet me adwuma ho amana ye. Then am say adwuma ni ho nti no. Ni afa nipa tete akogu ho. Na fe de obi sori a okodu office ahwe ni wo ye. Not your. Come out here, how many times have you not received complaint? Every worker, especially in the public sector, can say, "Adwuma quite boring. Me go do her, me nyahwe. Me computer chia na mete. Papers na me hwem." And to nipa ne kra so rekwa adwuma kra no. Onya awon kan bia say me kwa kwa adwuma. Because go to akeke. Hwe enumre bi ye no immigration officer si. Obi tumi kwa adwuma 2 days. Ma ko tina fie 2 weeks. 5 days. On kwa adwuma. Because ko dura uhun e koso.
I'm running shift
ben no.
Okay, so PMMC now can I make PM reasons in your PMMC according to management. The decision was driven by operational challenges and perceived need to cut costs as the company prepares to restructure ahead of the official launch. In fact, I'm saying decongestion because nipa baako to one desk, nipa miensa to desk baako. And you may be anywhere. Omoye.
Come on, baby, I'm in your Kuma Eric Ejeway. NEP, and I'm from
NEP
omo.
NEIP. But just a second, yanko breaking bra. Government tree na ka be try change dem. E kwa bazisi ya. And then e kwa bazisi Mbappe all of that as well. One say nimyan for Fred Agbonyo and afi nimyan for chairman Kokofu. Tana ni pado do head can as chairman Kokofu. Ono so e was. Hey,
from doctor to lawyer to everything, every fool be a hobby. Hey, offer. Last year I make sure music, but not for cry musician cry. Hey, offer. But you are an example for young people to learn from.
Yeah. Why am not can imagine?
I'm telling you, politically buying now the medical side doctors and alpha. What bro? You made your Moses.
Yes, I know I can.
Adom. Why are they?
Okay, so
find the Baba Kumaman to my family.
Oh, they are gone.
That's how I'm going to check. I don't know about them. So, Mesre, I am restricting myself from doing equalization because boss and I now come now can you know yes your boss about be face Ghana reset Ghana and to me in case born before you know chinchina so nye bi anka na dey be bit me atina I can say you nipa wadwuma me kai 2007 when they came into office obi wo police training kra 2 months 3 months then ko onko fie military yes onko fie edwuma nipa e pa mo free edwuma but we can't use that as a justification because me there about on echo 2024 no minimum nipa vote man nipa vote am here and once you become a president you are a president for the entire country. There's no discrimination and I the constitution frowns on that. There's no listen me see me MP me MP mind this inquiry in my constituency MP for no more my constituency now I'm their representative and he has sworn an oath to do good to all manner of people. Oh, it is the constitution. All manner of people do good to them. Eti mesre. Enyamani bia ye o ma wemna mboa hwe. BBC 2009. 1st January 2009. Ya to abawie on the 7th of December. President Kokofu abandoned him so Kofi. You know what they did? Almost started this single span salary structure in 2006 no mo see asio. 1st January 2009 no Kofi you know. Then almost the white pande buy. Only single span salary yeah implement here no. In some cases, amount for salary increase about over 200%, especially rich no more investment now. But sometimes I thank labor so much. They are very reasonable. Eba ya Professor Ahmed from yes, you need to self no aba. You need to for them to company who say implement it. And see ma 1 year. Not system in last year. Now 2 years may after no I implement it. I want to assure the young people of this country. So very soon, our flagship program I promise here, 24-hour economy, 1 job, 3 people, 3 times. You be rolling. Obi be a yafa no adwuma mu. Ye hwe krata ne mu nyina. If genuinely we go through all the process, ya fan chan fan foul, you'll be reinstated. Me Kamenia Eric J. Company no NIP. Director na President Akufo da appointed no ho. He himself has come out with a statement. NIP enye an institution on its own with their own budget. They operate under the presidency. And a program. What I say, any statutory institution having its own budget to run on their own. A program, a one-purpose vehicle. And now I'm going to say, I'm closing it down. Because there is no law that really set them up. It's the office of the presidency. And before we file with you more, the fellow must come to the chief of staff. Now I call public service commission for my internal account now. The director himself came out to a public service saying, said, the former chief executive no honor. No, fan crofon, not just Debbie. A crown of the fan crofon, and you come pass. Also to Nefo. He didn't list it. At the America, Yeba. Now, you say, Scabian to New York, for Nico. That's a crofon in Akofia. Now, you're beating me at the arm and abroso. On a book of Fukasembi. So, my Benny said by fire crofon. I don't know where my Benny said that. The only time I remember something about lawyers, no call UK, and was admonishing NDC lawyers say, almost some more than no call bench no so. Say about opportunity bar, they can also become judges. Because truly, Ghana had no cost. And after that, I mean, I've never believed in the court system. Because I've always believed, say, it's a creation by the rich society to protect themselves.
It's a creation
by the rich and the influence people in society to protect themselves.
But that's not
at the expense of the ordinary and the poor people. I'm sorry.
But you are from academia. That's
a view. I know what I'm saying.
No, the fortunate thing for you is that
supported by facts and everything.
But Daruma, it's how we are vulnerable. somebody like your good self, Wadarama. This opinion should not be expressed like that.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree, sir.
And the forum is inconvenient.
It's not someone like me who should be saying this. But my observation over the years. I don't know.
Keep it to yourself. When it comes to the judiciary.
Yes, because really,
keep it to yourself.
Obey me, we are banche. But me could that remands and not a reflection on that.
So some of these things should be rectified and corrected.
It
should be improved on.
Opening more. It me you are manisika. Just with a pen. Or to me, try on, sir.
My main just man answer because baby I'm
that buy was so there.
Ala me na me brem kakra. Yeah, kwamra unim. Na ose anti baby o mampani ka se be fire Crawford. Oh, it's a common thing.
I think we'll get the video and look at it.
Yes, I say the ba na fire Crawford. Aka.
Ana pam obia ye ba
ye Crawford abe.
I heard the ministry but
I've not heard this. If he said it, maybe it was in a proper context.
Well, fine. But and then you see he has made a very serious there, but Ghana mabununity. You see all cassette or mine war IMF program. Now IMF program no see Ghana you phone Adom overstaffed. I want so make it. And that's the reality on the ground. Intibra omo bon try no mo kase aban na wo Akufo Addo aban fa ni power adwuma. Now omo nim sa reality
we are going to open up the economy.
Meba.
They have their 24-hour economy.
And then again the asema ye ka no. Enya nipa ya form adwuma sika ni ho ade tuo mu ka. E bi oje akatua mienu miensa up ayi na ekoso. Na wa so won kofie. Obi kra 2013. And I'm so coffee. And I will can say, be your discrepancies in there. And I'm saying it can always be remedied and clean up or something. But I didn't point say, maybe I came near in Crawford, in Tiansu, Crawford.
Do you think that's what's happening?
No, that is not exactly.
I don't think so.
That be not meba. How did they start? How did they start? Sir, CEOs now corner Omono church on Kratan. Omono, nyawo the pressure. Now one who ayi at the say mabunu na omu kokowura enwuma mu.
When they say party
that is
the party as you know. The omoye e bia ni where but they want to NC. The president not barging. They were GRE. The president did not mind them. VRE, the president did not mind them. So and they a party for
agroni emienu. Enti the ono ye physical party for no ye you mai. Na wo ba officer na ye say for pen and paper na fa yo. I know they him.
Okay.
Watro. Pen and paper. Na de asise wo musam kofi any ade. But the youth of this country should say. Yeah, bon toano. Ye wo candidate ya ana party ya or say ye jitum say you many home mabunu. Nemu insise wo honi 1 million jobs within this period of time. A kwanse ni be fa so e be
how can I say me still?
Now,
Anna
ba ko say media 24 hours economy. Na no mo say sense wo na anim ka 133
kwama ba ko enipa miensa
ba ko enipa miensa
3 times in a day
3
shifts
and say one shift
yeah no pano 6 to 12 no about 12:30 to 6 no about 6 to the
nkwada mu su say yafa wo mu after 7 December mo nya first
they pretend they so we fair to them but see you regusita no the door man when they share na betudwa enche bia na mampe communicate to
na musula na
me say Kwabena asma okay 24-hour economy dey afeni e she say na list of omu kwa election yina no maybe ministers ni this year na flag bearer moto na you ready
over
minister CEOs ni ade nyina ye wo bot to nyina na said bottom rapani said bottom ye boni dine ya oso abayi anu oyito no ne ayi Brad Julius ayi ye tentem and na 24-hour economy ni dia afey answer
I think him draw president
now there's a meeting there course you keep on talking about Mr. Guzi Tano a very, very astute politician. New TV course. With Guta for now Bambu the animal. Oh, yeah. Because you have a more agro. New TV course with Guta members. And one more can't say Guta members 24-hour economy, more my ideas.
Oh,
may say I tell you on authority.
Meeting course every day. One a chair side meeting. Na dey ti
Nana lawyer Nana Oyelita Kobi. Mr. Guzitano was there. Okay, fine. Bampu, so Oye Bampu. Sorry. Former Mrs. I agree. Yes, my legal assistant. Former Mrs. Okobi. But you feel no, Mame Claire, you could debit me 1 minute. No, our parliament. Our parliament platform. Our Kasaoga Zebi. Is there one free how? Parliament now.
Yes, wrap up. Make a campaign. Me a promises be brave. And I'm a boy constituency. And I'm look at say, many meeting my designing program be me. I'm going back to the community. I'm going to meet the chiefs and the stakeholder opinion leaders now. Now I'm taking more input on board. And no interest say me my ideas. But in Crofona be Lidium. As an NDC even drafting a manifesto.
The People's
Manifesto. The concrofone chain. Because no,
including the 24-hour economy. Including the 24-hour economy.
Team. And the fan in post say, you with the town on the team because you are good at work. Doesn't mean we don't know what you're about. It's an admission, say, you want to have an inclusive, governance. And so let's get ideas and views of others of our budget. Let's get them on board. But you can about them. Now so say I am. Eti camera, Mr. 24-hour economy one. You better live very soon. Nyame boa, etina ya oda, o mampeni ba parliament. Na state of the nation address no.
Say most friend the true
state of the nation no. Nya wa be hu no de ne hu na. E fa akura hu nimo. After no abeka no so wanya biate. Be ya won say, "Hey! Enti ma ba mu pa nya manie." Na nyame boa on the 11th of March. Na yura atu force doctor. No aba. Budget no da be todua. Tax e be ye free ho, na e be ye program na fi agents na ministry na ho musika mo na adwuma na hyase. Enti mo da mo tumo bo ase. Na na mo premu ze wo papa.
Dey afraid boy ma na ase.
Kana we dey kito ba. Ayi Dr. Park.
Yeah.
Well, deputy or co-deputy education. Yeah. Enra me TNA in Kaka no can you be say my galamsey criticism of Akufo-Addo's government was too harsh.
That's correct.
Yes, sir. Admit. You see, you eat the humble pie. I'm afraid.
Yeah.
No, on the hand side, you must be able to admit something.
Good. And going forward, that electric Ghana 40, you bet impair and you bet cancel. Enim debatu obi so titiri aban ho na ebe wi asem na ya be kase ya kase
for you are
na the former president
mama was assignment me man assignment honorable reverend in team for you former deputy minister of education wa ma hint or say LGBT plus
mama na mwase
omode besa akoba
mama na mwase na me adoma echina ba be show but say the one fufu na course no on the 6th of March when the AC team no and they pm so 6th of March 4 court any me ya
na 6th of March abana mo
e dey agent bio o dey agent bio no ngwa no ni mo ma